Happy Saturday. Just got off of work. Not the last man standing. It's my day off. Came in for a couple of extra overtime hours. I want to share a few things with you guys. Chit chat with you guys a little bit. Picked up a new laptop. $300. I'll do a review on it probably next week. I'm still getting used to it. The last laptop I bought was $119 and it wasn't very good. This one's really fast compared to my last laptop, and I got better editing software. This channel's about to get big. I got better editing software because I want to be able to show 2 videos at a time. You know that geo tracker you saw in my last video? It's basically a done deal. It just has to pass smog, and unless something goes wrong and it can't pass smog, then I won't buy it. But as long as it's passing smog, that tracker is mine. So just gotta wait a couple more days. Why am I still at work? Why are you still working on your day off, man? I still got goals to accomplish. So I got the tracker, and that, you know what, that reinvigorated me, honestly. I didn't want to work today, but when that tracker was a done deal, it made me want to work more because I still have goals. Because now, you know, I'm just extra motivated. I'm not done with my van yet. It needs bigger tires and a rear locker. Still got to get a rear locker for it. I want to feel like my van is completed. Re-gear and rear locker, bigger tires. Then I'll feel like this van is as good as it could get. I'll feel complete when I have a traction aid and better gearing. And that's why I'm here. Van meet. So I want to take my tracker out in February, end of February, do a desert adventure. And like I said, this channel is about to get epic. And then the end of March is the big van meet. I need funds for that. So big things are coming for this channel. I want this to be the best van channel on YouTube. That's my goal, to make this the best lifted van channel on YouTube. I specialize in the lifted van thing. I specialize in being a van life road trip guy, going on adventures, and I'm gonna have a tracker behind this soon. It's gonna be great. Been talking about this for a whole year now. So new laptop right there, running errands, run a few more right now. That's what I wanted to ask you guys. Are you guys familiar with Wi-Fi boosters? Because I looked them up. I see Wi-Fi antennas, I see Wi-Fi boosters. I'm not really familiar with them. You know, I'll do more research, but maybe you guys could chime in the comments. How do they work? Like, you know, the $500 Wi-Fi boosters? This is what I'm thinking. When I went to the enthusiast van meet, when I went to the campground, so me and Holdfast, we met in a town. In the town, there was cell phone reception and Wi-Fi. The campground was only about 15-20 miles away from the town, but there was like a loss of any connectivity, no phone reception or Wi-Fi. Will one of those $500 boosters will it allow me to use Wi-Fi? Because if it does, that's a good investment. If not, then I won't buy one. $500 is a lot of money. But I was thinking, as I do these van meets, as I do these middle of nowhere adventures, it would be cool to do live streams, especially if you guys meet up with me. Because I want to do the enthusiast van meet in March. That's going to be a campground. But I would also like to do another one 6 months later. So end of March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So another van meet the end of September. I would like to make that an off-road oriented van meet. So I think it would be really cool to be able to live stream in the middle of nowhere with you guys. And for the people who can't join us, I think that would be a lot of fun. So let me know if you guys have any experience with those Wi-Fi boosters that are really expensive. So that's a progress with my channel, with my life. Yeah, geo tracker is coming, and I want to complete this van. Bigger tires, re-gear, rear lockers, so it's more capable off-road. The geo tracker will be my off-road rig, but this thing is still going off-road to get to the off-road spots. The tracker is just going to be better at it than this thing. Obviously, look at this thing. The tracker is like tiny and it only weighs like 2,500 pounds, but I still want this to be really capable off-road for what it is. So that's a little update. I appreciate your guys' support. I appreciate you guys always cheering me on. That's what I appreciate most about you guys. You guys are always cheering me on. I work all these hours and you guys are always in the comments telling me to keep on working hard, and I will accomplish my goals, because a lot of you guys have seen in the past couple of years I make a goal and I keep promises, and that's who I want to be here. I want to be the guy who says something and I do it. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Running errands now. One more shot of the van here.